Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth performance review of Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's brand new 5th-generation model built for the most complex reasoning and long-horizon agentic workflows. Sitting squarely in a new Mythos-class tier above Opus, Fable 5 is designed to run autonomously for days, making it a dream for massive codebase migrations and deep professional knowledge work. With a massive 1 million token context window and an unprecedented 128,000 token output capacity, this engine executes ambitious multi-stage tasks with automated verification loops. Plus, its adaptive thinking capability is permanently active, providing summarized logs of its internal reasoning steps as it solves problems. However, this next-level power comes with brutal real-world compromises. At $10 per million input and $50 per million output tokens, Fable 5 is exceptionally expensive to run. Furthermore, the model's ultra-aggressive safety classifiers are highly sensitive, frequently routing benign technical queries in cybersecurity or life sciences down to the slower Opus 4.8 engine. The model is also noticeably slower than its predecessors, prioritizing absolute precision over raw output speed. Ultimately, if you need an elite, self-correcting agent to handle complex engineering pipelines, Claude Fable 5 is a towering achievement. But if you are looking for rapid-fire chat interactions or a cheap, lenient brainstorming assistant, the high pricing and heavy filters mean you should stick to standard models. Subscribe the channel for more videos.